Hello, fabulous mom. This book is about moms because my story is the same as yours. My old life didn't exist anymore. My body became a mother, but my mind didn't understand what she was in for. In deep conflict, there I sit, wondering why my mind thinks I'm falling behind. I searched for answers, and to my surprise, she was staring into my eyes. Only afterwards can you connect the dots. I realized this was a setup. Everything was going according to plan, only the plan wasn't mine. This was by design. Who showed me the signs? This emotional roller coaster called motherhood is the gateway to your higher self, but nobody ever told you how. Instead, you judge the way you feel and disconnect from the here and now. This book is about you because the world needs you now more than ever. Your selfless heart has put you in this endeavor. You made the right choice, but there's an imbalance. Mind and body can't hear the soul's voice. I sat still for 7 years, observed the world and myself, trying to remember my part. I did the unthinkable, switched off my mind and connected to my heart. There I saw you, a mother who can't see beyond her pain. I felt your hurt cause my heart knows you and me are the same. Fabulous mom, you're not to blame, but where you are now is where you will stay. First, go beyond your suffering before the soul shows you a different way. You are divine, but if you want to feel whole, you must think with a new mind. Once I received the message from above, I understood its meaning. Writing it all down completed my healing. We trust our mind to give meaning to our physical reality, but we never question its validity. Unintentionally, the mind has trapped herself in a fantasy. We crave acceptance, but it never comes. It makes us sad. Feelings of unworthiness become our identity, and then we become mad, angry at the world because we deny our truth. A prisoner of duality, your beliefs become a self-fulfilling prophecy. Your higher self is unknown to your senses. You are blind because the unconscious has veiled it with imaginary fences. There's a part of you that doesn't want to know. It's time we break down those walls and allow your inner being to grow. Replace the old with the new. A new meaning that will empower you. Becoming a mom was no compromise. It's a call from a higher mind. Open your heart and allow the soul to harmonize. If you feel a loss of identity and lack of direction, it's the unconscious desperately holding on to something that doesn't exist. When you let go, there will be peace, abundance, and true happiness. It's the awakened mother that will change the world. She will wake her children up. Your family no longer caught in the illusion. Our children will be free to create heaven on earth. It's your stay-at-home status that will catapult you to the next stage of higher conscious awareness. You will awaken and reach non-dual levels, that empty spot filled with soul. Your view will change from one single point to being able to see the whole. Never again a victim of circumstance. You will take your power back and unite the dancer and the dance. Mother is the highest title you will ever receive. Who made you believe we do this with ease? This is the hardest thing you will ever do. Nobody dared to tell you. Fear is how the unconscious push you to sleep, never claiming your true power, never knowing who you could be. Too much information, but nothing for moms. Nothing that says, yes, this is my path to achieve higher consciousness. Time and energy are priceless. Focus it in the wrong direction and you will dim your brightness. Titles will come and go. It's the meaning you give to the words that will decide your flow. Awareness is your sharpest tool. If you have no clear sense of who you are, your unconscious will make you feel a fool. So distort your life lesson. Self-mastery will become your most powerful weapon. Accept your life with grace. Forgiveness is the only act that can erase. You are unique and that makes you complex. There's no shortcut. You can't fix this with intellect. I teach you how to transcend time and space and become the unstoppable force, where all the separate selves come face to face and unite as one in the eyes of Source. We place ourselves at the bottom of the food chain because of unjustified guilt and shame. I'm here to set the record straight with nothing to prove to the world. I'm here to ignite your eternal flame. Fabulous One philosophy will set you free. fabulous mom. You are the one. If you find yourself attracted to my book, welcome. Your spiritual awakening has begun. Are you a mom who seeks inner alignment? Who wants to learn something new because the old ways don't work? Who understands that the world has changed? It's our minds that need to catch up. I will help you remember who you are, transcend your fears so the real you can appear. Your higher self will become your permanent station. Self-realization is the transformation. Join my Fabulous One family and become a visionary so we can course correct our lives in the direction it's supposed to be. There's so much more than meets the eye. It's the soul that sets you up. You are the superstar of your story. It's time you wake up.